Olives on keto. Snack smart with these low-carb delights. Keto snacks. Olives are a fantastic snack for anyone on the keto diet. They're low in carbs and rich in healthy fats, making them the perfect option to satisfy your cravings. Nutrient-rich, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, olives support heart health and reduce inflammation. They are also a great source of vitamin E and iron, promoting overall well-being. Versatile options. Enjoy them in salads, tapenades, or simply as a savory snack. They pair beautifully with a variety of dishes, adding both flavor and nutritional value. Flavor variety. From green to black, there are endless flavor profiles to discover, like garlic-stuffed, spicy, or herb-marinated varieties. Experiment to find your favorite taste combination. Tips for selecting olives. Look for olives that are firm to the touch and free from blemishes. Buying olives with the stone intact can often result in better flavor and texture. Consider trying organic varieties to enjoy olives at their most natural. Incorporating olives into meals. Add olives to your favorite pasta sauce for a burst of flavor, or combine with roasted vegetables for a hearty side dish. So, grab a handful of olives and enjoy these delicious, low-carb delights on your keto journey. Remember, moderation is key to maintaining a balanced diet. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more awesome content. Don't forget to visit our website for behind-the-scenes info and more resources. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.